Iisa-isahin natin kasi na delikado po itong mga puntong ito, no? Miski sabihin ni Senator Marcoleta na hindi siya pro-China, I repeat sa mga viewers natin, hindi raw siya pro-China, maniwala po kayo sa kanya. Isa po sa mga sinabi niyo rin sa CA hearing, sabi niya dito tayo nagkakaproblema kasi raw interchangeably ginagamit daw natin yung exclusive economic zone with the West Philippine Sea. Ano pong tugon doon?
Hindi. Exclusive economic zone is not the same as the West Philippine Sea. Even under the old administrative order of Pinoy, dahil the first time the term West Philippine Sea was made, that was the administrative order of President Aquino III. Ang sinabi niya doon, the West Philippine Sea includes our exclusive economic zone and our islands, the waters of our islands in the Calayan Island Group. So even then, ano na, but in the present law, mas klaro. Mas klaro. The exclusive economic zone is not the same dahil sa definition under Section 2 of Republic Act 12064, that is the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the West Philippine Sea includes waters outside our EEZ. Yung waters, territorial sea ng Calayan Island Group Islands outside our EEZ. So klaro yun, it's not the same. So pag mali yung kanyang assumption na it's the same, ano klaseng debate natin? Iba yung facts niya, iba yung facts natin.
Yeah, ang sinasabi po ni Senator, ang problema raw kasi interchangeably ginagamit natin
Siya lang
yung
ang
EEZ tsaka
nagsasabi.
West Philippine Sea.
Oh,
Pero hindi naman ito talaga ginawa.
Siya ang nagsasabi na yung ating KIG hindi kasama ng West Philippine Sea. Basahin niya lang yung Section 2. Klarong-klaro kasama. Yung maritime features of the Calayan Island Group are part of the West Philippine Sea. Nasa definition, Section 2. So basahin niya na lang, siguro mga 2-3 beses niya basahin, maintindihan niya na.
Sige po, hindi ko in-expect yun. Kanina pala, sa debate between Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Kiko Pangilinan, dun po sa Senate resolution condemning the Chinese embassy's attacks on our Philippine officials regarding the West Philippine Sea, mahaba-haba yung mga puntong isinulong po ni Senator Cayetano, pero isa po sa mga lumutang dun nung pinapanood ko po. Sabi niya, pinapalabas niya kasi na hindi lang dapat China yung tutok natin. Vietnam at saka yung Malaysia, marami ring features na kiniklaim, tapos minimilitarize din daw. Tapos tinanong niya yung si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, bakit sa tingin niyo hindi tayo wino-water cannon nito ng Vietnam tsaka Malaysia, or hindi raw yung parang sinasabihan, di ba? Get off our territory or something like that. Kasi raw hindi naman daw lumalapit doon yung ating mga bangka, ating mga eroplano, unlike nung ginagawa natin sa China. Doon ako medyo na-bother, no? Yung para bang tayo yung yung nagti-trigger ng reaction from China. Yan, para konting perspective lang, no? Bakit ba nakatutok kumbaga sa China, so to speak, yung kritisismo ng Pilipinas compared to, let's say, other claimant countries?
There are two disputes sa South China Sea. You have the maritime dispute and the territorial dispute. Yung maritime was resolved finally, legally, by the arbitral tribunal. Vietnam and Malaysia respect the decision. Indonesia also. It's only China that does not respect the arbitral award of July 12, 2016. So hindi nila kini-question na sa atin yung reed bank, for example. Ang dispute natin with Vietnam and Malaysia, yung territorial dispute. Ang recommendation ko nga, dahil we are members of ASEAN, and ASEANs normally, members of ASEAN, pag may territorial dispute, they voluntarily agree to submit it to arbitration. So, we should ask Vietnam and Malaysia to submit the territorial dispute to arbitration, because that's the spirit of ASEAN. That has happened many times. Singapore and Malaysia submitted their territorial dispute to arbitration. Indonesia and Malaysia submitted their territorial dispute to arbitration. So let's invite Vietnam and Malaysia to submit it to arbitration. Pero yung China is the only country in Asia that says kanila yung entire South China Sea. And it's only among the claimant states, only China refuses to acknowledge the arbitral award. So iba yung treatment ng China. Talagang sa China, amin ang South China Sea, almost the entire. All the waters, resources, islands within the 10-dash line, amin yan. Hindi naman sinasabi ng for example, Malaysia and Vietnam do not claim Scarborough Shoal. Ang Malaysia claims only a very little part of the Calayan Island Group. It's only Vietnam that claims the entire Calayan Island Group. But on the maritime dispute, sang-ayon sila, Malaysia and Indonesia and Vietnam, sang-ayon sila sa arbitral award. They agree with the arbitral award. China does not.
Ayun. Maliwanag po yun sa mga viewers. No? Meron kasi maritime dispute at saka territorial dispute. So yung maritime yung in-address nitong Permanent Court of Arbitration Award noong 2016. Ito po, Justice, basically, ito yung laman ng balita ngayon. Nagdidebate iba't ibang mga tao dito sa issue na ito. How do you think this is affecting our position regarding the West Philippine Sea? When you have senators like Marcoleta claiming not to be pro-China, but coming out with statements that can clearly be construed as favoring China. So, kumbaga, nakatutok tayo dito Parang nagkakagulo to rin discussion.
Well, willingly or unwittingly, if they echo China's position, they're creating doubt among the Filipino people. And that is the aim of China, to create doubt on our own position, on our own legitimacy. It will be easier to win us over. So, itong if senator, elected senator, mataas na posisyon yan, magsabi ng ganyan, it could create doubt in our people. So, yun ang that is aligned with China, whether accidentally or intentionally, we do not know. No? But that helps China in this battle for the West Philippine Sea. So, dapat malaman nila na they are creating doubt. So, dapat before they say those things, alamin muna nila talaga kung ano. I mean, nasa batas Why will a senator of the Republic say, wala namang legal concept na na haka-haka lang yung West Philippine Sea? No, andun, batas. It was passed by the Congress where he was a member. Dapat alam niya yon.
Justice, finally, ito, I understand meron yatang hamon si Senator Marcoleta. I think sa inyo, kay Attorney Batong Bakal at saka kay Commodore J. Tariela for some sort of a debate. Papatulan niyo po ba yan?
I said I am accepting it. We will debate on the two issues that he raised. That the West Philippine Sea is not in our law. Second, yung sabi niya na yung the islands in the Calayan Group are not part of the West Philippine Sea. Like Pag-asa, there are parts. Sabi niya, so sabi ko, the first issue is there a legal definition of the West Philippine Sea? Kasi yun ang sinabi niya, baliwala yan, figment of our imagination. Two, does the Philippine, if there is a legal definition, does it include islands of the Calayan Island Group that are outside the EEZ of the Philippines. Kasi sabi niya, may mga isla tayo like yung Pag-asa. That's outside our EEZ. So, paano yan? Ini-equate niya kasi yung EEZ to the West Philippine Sea. Hindi eh. So, let's clarify it. Does he maintain that the West Philippine Sea refers only to our EEZ? Yun. I'm willing to debate on that ground and maybe, Christian, you can be one of the moderators.
Sige po. Kaso ang problema, baka makisali ako sa debate. Kasi minsan ang hirap gumit na pag alam pong mali yung isang side eh. Iba na lang po mag-moderate.